Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron Truck Mounts. Here we have a 3.5 pipe size for a 56 blower. On our store we have a 59, which is a 4-inch, and so this is a 3.5, and it'll fit perfectly on any one of the units that you have that's accessible to the discharge part of your blower. This will work out very well. We've sold a few of these along the way. It's a little bit more labor because we have to actually plasma cut the opening and custom make the opening so that we'll be able to fit the pipe and have a clear shot all the way through with no obstructions. It's got 80 feet of the high pressure tubing, so it's going to use the blower's friction heat in order to give and pull off the heat. And usually some people use it as a primary heater. In a lot of cases, this is used as a post heater to capture some of that heat that's coming off the tubing that's caused by the friction heat discharge air from your blower. So it's just very well built. It weighs about 50 pounds. The pipe has substantial length on it so that you can fit your hard wall hose on it and connect to your blower, the 56 blower. So this is going to really work out well. We've been doing this for 19 years building. This is a patented heat exchanger. You can see it's a U.S. patent. It's right there. We used to be in Holiday. I'm yet to change the stickers to Lecanto. We used to be in Holiday just south of us, 65 miles south. We're in the country now. And we got a large shop here, a couple large shops on the property, a 5-acre lot. So that allows a little, more output, more parking, more service ability, just all the way around a better place to work. And it's, we really enjoy it here. And the key is that we don't have to charge a huge amount for our truck mounts or our heat exchangers due to the fact that everything is paid off. I don't have to go and lease anything at any large building or anything like that. Everything is bought and paid for entirely, so we can keep the prices affordable during this economy situation where gas prices are high. So, and that's another thing I wanted to say is that with gas prices being high, fuel oils and propane, heat exchange is the way to go to capture that free heat. And there is 80 feet of high pressured heavy wall stainless tubing. So you can get up to 3,500 pounds pressure rating on this tubing without having to rupture it and have issues with leaking and all that other stuff. And the way it's set up is in a parallel arrangement which captures the heat more effectively and more efficiently, in the way that it's not helical wrap or wrap on wrap where you lose that heat on from the outside core out to the outside edge of the tubing. Oftentimes, like even with the ProChems, they had that same thing where it was concentric and they'd lose on the outside layer, the heat would be much lower because the concentration of heat was on the center when it came off the exhaust. In this case, it comes out simultaneously. A lot of our heaters, like especially on our Blue Barons, come in from the side. It's H-style. We can also make them D-style or a top load where it can come in from the top, depending on the cabinetry of your unit. So, and that would more pertain to the heat exhaust coming off your engine. We also will do the 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch. We don't go too much further than the 4-inch. We actually, we'd be running out of space here. It is an 8-inch inside diameter, 8 6/16 Schedule 10 stainless pipe housing. It's very durable, very thick stainless pipe, and it's just well worth the money. We put some money into these units, and all the end plates are all CNC'd. Again, unless we have to do some special opening, and in this case, this is what we had to do with this blower style heat exchanger. It's similar to the 800, the ProChem 800A that you'll see on our store, truckmountstore.com. And that is a 2.5 pipe, and I believe it's 2.92 OD. These are all Schedule 40 pipes. So again, the inside diameter of this is right around 3.5 inches. right on the inside. Inside diameters are always inside ID for pipe, OD for tubing. So anyways, this is a really nice unit. We even put the brackets. We can change the designation of where the brackets go. And this is 3/16 stainless flat bar. This is not cheap stuff either. It's all CNC cut, open slotted 3/8 holes, so it allows a little bit of swagger and allowing you to do what you need to do as far as fitting into a flat plate or the infrastructure and interior of your cabinetry, of your truck mount. But like I said, we build according to spec, and like I said, they're all 18 inches long. And the body, of course, it'll be much, this is much longer, as you can see, from the 18 inches. The body from here to here is 18 inches. So just look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. 727-505-2989 is my number. Have any questions, just call me. You can send me diagrams. We'll talk about it. We're worldwide recognized. We are even doing some overseas accounts as well. It's hard to find someone that does this. And we are the only ones that do the ProChem aftermarket heat exchangers for the 405, Legend, Trailblazer, Bruins, Sabre, Bridgepoint Lancer, and as well as the Performer Cub XL, which is a shorter body, and the Blazer Plus, which sits in the back cabinetry at the rear of the Blazer Plus truck mount. So we do all kinds, 1200s. We do the coolant style for the 1200s, or the 4.87 CDS Hydromaster, PTOs, Steamways, all the way through. Any truck mount that's out there, we will be able to fit you in with a beautiful heat exchanger with top-notch heat, commercial rated heat, as well as longevity. And the pressure rating, of course, you can get working pressure well up to 3,500 pounds, depending on the size of your pump, if you have a higher flow rate pump. Most of our truck mounts usually get over 2,000 pounds. That's unusual for this industry because, again, the problematic key to why a lot of these companies can't get the high pressure is because of their cheap copper tubing, and its burst pressure rating is much lower than ours, usually around 1,200. So again, look us up at 727-505. Call us at 727-505-2989 or our store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.